Hi, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor, Keller Williams, coming to you from our newest Hoover listing, 3303 Pembrooke Lane, located right here in the heart of Hoover, literally just a short drive to Patton Creek, the Galleria. You can even walk to the preserve, short drive to I-459, 65, easy to get downtown. So this is a great house, 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms with a finished basement. This house has been fully updated. Corner lot, big backyard, as you're gonna see in the video. We've priced this home aggressively at $449,000. So please visit our website at mynewbirminghamhome.com. Call your Team Taylor agent to schedule a showing today and check out 3303 Pembroke Lane.